Axie boundlessness explicitly is a low-position coin with the ticker Axie that especially has an essentially present worth of $4.86 and a market capitalization of $684,726,144. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Digital currencies basically have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that, for the most part, is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, which truly is very critical. Some kind of huge speculation banks even most certainly obtain Axie limitlessness and really other cryptographic forms of money all at once to by and large safeguard their resources under administration. Against the running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to by and large uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul expectation of the advancements on the Axie market that basically depend on the readings of our truly special crypto unpredictability file that generally assists us with checking the market feeling and basically expect where in which the market plans to go. In fact, at this point, the cost of Axie endlessness generally is $4.86, while the coin right now essentially winds up at 47th spot in the extremely by and large sort of positioning in a significant manner. The expressed sort of positioning is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that essentially is increased by its truly current market capitalization, an equation that explicitly is applied all through every monetary market, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients certainly get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, exhibiting how it's additionally critical to basically consider the authentic information that permits framing an appropriate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unobtrusive manner. On August 23, the cost of Axie limitlessness generally was at $4.89 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change for the most part added up to 1.30%. So these days, it's a resource class that is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on August 17, Axie truly was esteemed at $5.25. Which by and large intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has fundamentally varied by 0%, in spite of mainstream thinking. A month prior, on July 24, the market member laid out the cost of Axie limitlessness at $6.15. In this way, the coin in a real sense has made a 20.99% move to in every way that really matters, arrive at its current standings in an in every way that really matters, large way. The examination of market capitalization conveys especially equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors in an extremely significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to decide the truly in general position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a genuinely large way. Changes in market capitalization fundamentally sure or essentially negative in every way that really matters are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resources by and large potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both exceptionally short and for the most part long-haul points of view, which certainly is very huge. This extremely specific pretty measurement generally is likewise used to check the strength of Axie boundlessness comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To in every practical sense decide the truly current market capitalization of Axie, we generally duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will basically be made sense of later, by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Axie boundlessness certainly remains at $684,726,144. Which shapes the reason for truly present sort of positioning, generally was referenced before in a kind of large manner. Recently, on August 23, Axie in every way that really matters had a market capitalization of $689,237,508 in a very large manner. Keep going week. On August 17, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to truly was recorded at $739,428,062 in a huge manner. A month prior, on July 24, The market worth of Axie limitlessness most certainly was evaluated to by and large be $736,009,369 in an unpretentious manner. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that generally have previously been created by different means, for example through mining, which generally is very huge. These digital currencies can basically be utilized either for extremely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, or so they for the most part thought. This in every practical sense. Metric likewise figures the coins that basically have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which in a real sense is applied to control the expansion rate in a genuinely significant manner. At this point, the especially absolute stockpile of Axie endlessness for the most part is laid out at 270,000,000 axes, which really is genuinely huge. Finally, the flowing stockpile truly is utilized to in every way that really matters, compute the market capitalization, and especially evaluate the coins especially current remaining in the positions, which generally is genuinely huge. It signifies the especially by and large measure of axes, that for the most part is by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an exceptionally significant manner. It's by and large fundamentally accepted that digital currencies that essentially have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most appropriate for certainly long-haul venture, since they really are generally kind of liable to sort of value and esteem over a drawn-out time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which is genuinely critical. At this crossroads, Axie vastness basically has a circling supply of 148,447,467 coins, showing how it means the fundamentally in general measure of axes that really is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that essentially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which truly is very critical. Over the in every practical sense, recent hours, the exchanging volume related with axes arrived at the place of $19,590,1044, or so for the most part thought. Recently, on August 23, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame in every way that really matters remained at $18,829,696 in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on August 17, how much axes that generally was traded between market members for the most part was assessed at $50,709,234, showing that on August 23, the cost of Axie boundlessness essentially was at $4.89 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 1.5